television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
What the hell? Okay then. Who's got an FFW?
The National Weather Service in-state college has issued
Ah.
a flash flood warning for southwestern York County in
Damn it.
south-central Pennsylvania until 10:15 p.m.
Thank you.
At 7:17 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Hanover, Parkville,
Oh, great.
Cadorus, Spring Grove, Glen Rock, Pennville, Jacobus, Railroad, Loganville, New Salem, Seven Valleys, and Glenville.
And lose weight naturally. Until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned
Flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Hanover, Parkville, Shrewsbury, Cadorus, Spring Grove.
The 13th of score. So if you are seriously injured by someone else's negligence, call us at 410-360.
A special marine.
Oh, come on.
Summer locations that will experience flash flooding include Hanover, Parkville, Shrewsbury, Douglas, Springfield, Glen Rock, Benville, Jacobus, Railroad.
Storms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Parkville, Shrewsbury, Cadorus, Spring Grove, Glen Rock, Glenville, Jacobus, Railroad, Loganville, New Salem, Seven Valleys, and Glenville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following county: York, Pennsylvania. Water remains in effect until midnight tonight. Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible.
Isn't he faithful? And it just so happens that